you please don't do that to me? I have 3 kids that I have to provide for.
Ma'am, do you have any pockets on you?
No, I literally pay for my rent, the food for my kids myself. I'm literally begging you, don't do this to me.
I'm just gonna touch you with the back of my hand just here, make sure you ain't got anything on you right here.
Okay, that's fine, but please don't do that to me. Can you please don't... Wait. Wait.
How you doing, ma'am? Officer McCoy, Princeton Police. Just gotta let you know I am recording. You know the reason why I'm pulling you over? No? When you were on North Harrison Street, right? You weren't maintaining your lane. You kept crossing over the double yellows several times.
Really?
Yeah. Really.
Oh, I live like 5 minutes away.
Where you live at?
Plainsboro. I just came to see my friend.
Came to see your friend?
Yeah.
Where you coming from?
Plainsboro.
Plainsboro?
Yeah.
You coming from your home?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have anything to drink tonight?
No.
No? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You have your license, registration, insurance on you?
This is my insurance.
Okay.
Oh, your light is so bright.
Ma'am, you have your driver's license on you.
I can't find it.
You can't find your driver's license or your registration card?
My license. I'm sorry, I have a mess.
It's all right. You the registered owner of the vehicle, ma'am?
I'm sorry?
You the registered owner of the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, couple things, right? Based on your operation of the vehicle and my observations here, I am getting a little whiff of something, right? I just want to make sure you're able to drive the vehicle.
What?
Yeah.
I'm really good.
Okay. I just want to make sure that you're able to drive the vehicle, okay?
Yeah.
Right? What's your highest level of education?
Bachelor's?
Bachelor's. You familiar with the English alphabet?
Yes.
All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to recite the English alphabet from A to Z without singing it, okay?
Okay.
You may begin.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, so the next one, right? You familiar with numbers?
Yes.
All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to start at number 77 and count backwards until you reach 54. So start at 77, count backwards, and end at 54. Okay, you may begin.
77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 50, 50, no, 49, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54. That's it.
Okay. Just hang tight with me, okay? Right here. And I forgot, also eyes. Oh, okay. All right, ma'am. If you can, just put the key in part.
Can we please
turn the
not
car.
do this?
Turn the car off. Right?
Are you kidding me? Please.
If you can, just step out the car. We're just gonna run you through a couple more tests.
Okay. Like, can we not do this though? This is crazy.
Okay, you can come right over here.
Thank you.
You stand right here.
This is Sunday. I'm sorry.
That's okay. My name is Officer Lewin.
I was also federal, by the way.
Okay. I'm Officer Lewin with the Princeton Police Department, okay?
From dropping the I was federal card to suddenly complimenting the officer's cologne, This is the ultimate DUI charm offensive. It's a textbook deflection tactic when the panic starts setting in. But flattery won't get you out of field sobriety tests. Let's see how her balance holds up.
Try position. I want your feet together and your hands down to your side. All right? I want you to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes only, and not move your head. Do you understand my instructions?
I do.
Okay. Just your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head, okay? Just your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head, okay? I'm going to start again from here. Eyes and your eyes only. Start against me, okay? Okay, one more, all right?
All right, ma'am, you can follow me over here. Just watch your step with all this loose gravel. All right, we're going to do it over here. We're going to do the 2 other tests over here, just because I don't want you to trip on this gravel or anything like that and get hurt, okay? All right, so if you can, just stand right here for me. Just stand right here for me. All right, so 2 more tests, right?
Yes.
Before we begin, do you have any, more than likely, all right, I'll take that into account. Are you comfortable with your shoes? Your shoes?
I'm comfortable with my shoes.
Comfortable with your shoes? All right. All right, so the first test, right, it's going to be the walk and turn test. Second test is going to be 1 leg stand. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain the test to you. I'm going to demonstrate the test, and then I'm going to administer to it. All right, don't start the test until you're told to begin. All right, so if you can, just stand on that yellow line for me. All right, what I want you to do is put your right foot in front of your left, heel touching toe. When I tell you to begin, you're going to take a series of 9 steps forward, arms down at your side, eyes looking down. Right, just put your arms down. Right, so when I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 steps. 1, 2, 3. On each step, make sure that your heel's touching your toe. Can you get in the starting position for me, please?
I'm sorry?
Can you get in the starting position? Right? You're remain in that position until I tell you to begin the test. So let's begin again. This is the starting position. When I tell you to begin, you're going to take a series of 9 steps forward. 1, 2, 3. I did 3. You're going to do 9. On each step, make sure that your heel's touching your toes, your arms down at your sides, and you're looking down at your feet. On each step, count out loud. Once again, I did 3, you're going to do 9. When you get to that 9th step, I didn't finish explaining.
I'm going to turn.
You want me to finish explaining?
No.
Right? On that 9th step, I did 3, you're going to do 9. On that 9th step, take a series of small steps around your lead foot and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Oh. Well, hold up. Hold up. Right? Don't start until you're instructed to do so.
Go ahead.
All right, get in the starting position for me. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, you may begin.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Let's take a step for me forward. All right, so it's the second test, right? It's going to be the one leg stand test. First, I'm going to get you in the starting position. So what I want you to do, stand feet together, arms down at your side, right? Remain in this position until I tell you to begin the test, right? When I tell you to begin the test, you're going to pick either foot of your choosing, approximately 6 inches off the ground, right? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and you're going to keep counting 1001 and so on until I just tell you to stop. When you pick up your foot, make sure it's parallel to the ground, and also keep your eyes down at your feet and your arms down at your side.
How many?
You're going to keep going until I tell you to stop, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any other questions?
No.
Okay. You may begin. Don't forget, you got to count.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008.
Counting backward from 77 shouldn't involve the 100,000s. But here we are. The officer has clearly seen enough, and this textbook stop is about to hit the point of no return. Watch the mood instantly flip the second those handcuffs appear. How would you handle this sudden panic?
All right, do me a favor, ma'am. Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Place you under arrest.
Why?
Suspicion of DUI. Okay.
Wait.
Ma'am?
Wait. I don't want to resist. Can you just explain it?
Yeah, drive.
You didn't explain it to me.
You're under arrest.
You're under arrest for driving under the influence.
That's what he's arresting you for.
Can you not do that? No, wait. Can you?
He has to. It's already done, okay?
Are you kidding?
I'm serious.
Please don't do that.
That's what he has
No.
to do.
Wait. This affects my entire job. I have 3 kids.
He gave you a series of tests.
Okay, but don't do that. Don't do that. You don't know what you're doing to me.
Let's go to the
Okay, but
Let's
don't
go,
do
ma'am.
that. I have 3 kids.
Let's go, ma'am.
I have 3 kids. Are you kidding me? I have 3 kids. Don't do that to
Can you
me.
tell him to mark the time on them?
Can you please not do that to
Oh,
me?
sorry.
Please don't do that to me. Please don't do that to me, please. Literally, I'm begging you. Please don't do that to me. I have 3 kids
Ma'am,
that I have to provide for.
Ma'am, do you have any pockets on you?
No,
Do you have
I
any-
literally
do you have
pay
anything
for
on
my
you?
rent, the food for my kids myself. I'm literally begging
Ma'am,
you, don't do this to
I'm just
me.
gonna touch with the back of my hand just here, make sure you ain't got anything on you right
Okay,
here.
that's fine, but please don't do that to me. Can you please don't wait, please.
Ma'am,
Can you please not do that to me? I'm literally begging
Ma'am.
We're
you.
past that.
we're past that.
Are you kidding me? Please don't do that to me. I have 3 kids. I have to provide for them. Dude, I have to put food on the table for them. You can look me up. Fuck!
849, 3 more time.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Oh my god! No! Oh my god! Please don't do this to me! Oh my god, please don't do this to me. Oh my god, please. talk to him, please. Oh my God, but I have 3 kids. I have to feed them. If I can't go to work, I can't. Please.
What time you at work?
What?
What time you at work?
I work at 9.
Yeah,
Can you please just tell him no? I can't. Please, just.
you gone before that. You be able to go.
No, but I need my car. I drive for work. Please.
Despite the heartbreaking pleas, the law is the law. Surasada ultimately refused the breathalyzer at the station, piling on additional charges. What's your take on how this stop was handled? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more real-life body cam videos.